Welcome to our channel, where we delve into all things health conscious. In today's video, we will tackle a common question: why can't I find bottled Kangen water? Many people wonder why Kangen water cannot be found in stores, and today, we will shed light on this mystery. So, let's dive right in. Kangen water, the innovative water produced by the Kangen machine, has gained popularity among health-conscious individuals due to its unique characteristics and potential health benefits. However, you may have noticed that bottled Kangen water is nowhere to be found. But why? Reason 1: freshness and oxidation. One of the main reasons Kangen water is not bottled is because of freshness concerns and oxidation. Kangen water is known for its powerful antioxidant properties, which provide numerous health benefits. However, when water is exposed to air and stored over time, these beneficial properties can slowly diminish. In order to fully enjoy the potential benefits of Kangen water, it must be consumed immediately after production. Reason 2: unique electrolysis process. Another key factor is the unique electrolysis process used by Kangen machines. This process ionizes the water, creating distinct alkaline and acidic streams. The pH levels of Kangen water can vary based on personal preferences or specific health needs. Bottling Kangen water would require separating the alkaline and acidic streams and compromising the balance and benefits of the water. Reason 3: certified Enagic distributors. Enagic, the company behind Kangen water machines, adheres to a strict distribution policy. They believe in maintaining the integrity of their products and ensuring the highest quality standards. Kangen water is exclusively distributed through certified Enagic distributors. This ensures that customers receive personalized support and assistance when purchasing Kangen machines directly from authorized dealers. So there you have it. The mystery behind the absence of bottled Kangen water is now unraveled. Due to freshness concerns, the unique electrolysis process, and Enagic's distribution policies, Kangen water cannot be found bottled. Remember, to fully experience the potential health benefits, it is essential to drink Kangen water fresh from the Kangen machine. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health-conscious content. Stay hydrated, stay healthy.